Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video we will share the details for the Nintendo Switch error code 2321 4992. The error reads, "A server communication error has occurred, please try again later." As per our research, the error comes when players try to connect online in Splatoon 3. The game works fine offline, but when users enter the online lobby, they get disconnected or are unable to join matches. According to our research, the error is likely caused by server communication issues. It can also occur due to strict NAT type, outdated router firmware, or unstable network connections. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your Nintendo Switch along with your router. Simply turn off both devices, then unplug them from the power source, then wait for around 5 minutes, then plug them back in and restart. After that, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check your NAT type. If it's strict, it may block your connection to online matches. So try updating your NAT type and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then check if your router has a firmware update. If you're using a TP-Link router, then log into the router and go to the Advanced tab, then select System Tools, then go to Firmware Upgrade and check for updates. After updating, check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, then try using a mobile hotspot connection and check if this resolves the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, then go to the official Nintendo Network maintenance page at nintendo.co.jp/net_us/index.html and check if the servers are down or under maintenance. If they are, wait for a while and try again later. If you still get the error, then check if your Nintendo Switch needs any system update. If there is an update available, install it and see if the error still comes. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.